I've got one on here. I didn't even know it. He was not fighting at all. Oh, he's a little fella. That's all right. All right, I put cut bait on a light action rod. Let's see how this goes. You drop it? What the heck? Got him on a light rod. Oh my God, it's not small. Stay on. 6-pound line and cut bait. Oh my God, look at this rod bend. Please. It's the only bite I've gotten in hours. Oh my God, I just caught a bowfin on an ultra light or a light action rod and 6-pound line with cut bait. That's awesome. he's probably like 23 inches. Alright guys, here's this bowfin I just got. Probably like 23 or 24 inches. And I caught him on a bluegill rod with 6-pound line. That's awesome. And he was hooked down deep too, so I don't know how the line didn't snap. So still a nice fish though. Let's get him back. Yeah, there he goes. I see him swimming. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Right in the net. That's a heavy one.
It's coming out the hole.
I know. Alright guys, this is a bowfin I just got. It's probably bigger than that last one I caught. But nice one. It's pretty fat. Take him back. Oh, I guess he didn't want to be released the proper way. That's the biggest of the day. Alright guys, I just caught the biggest bowfin of the day for sure. There's another one just surfaced, but this one probably like 24.5, maybe 25 inches. But he's long, but he's not very fat. But nice male bowfin. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's get him back. Got a nice bowfin. There he goes.